Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to do the Cluster Stripes Stitch pattern. For this pattern, you're going to need to know how to do a treble crochet. If you need help with that, you can check down in the description below for my videos on how to do a treble crochet. So to get started, you want to chain multiples of 7. Alright, once you have your stitches, you want to start off by chaining 4, and in the 6th chain from the hook, you're going to work your 3 treble crochet cluster, or 3 treble crochets in the same stitch, but they equal 1 stitch, if that's not confusing enough. So how that ends up working is you'll insert your hook like you normally do for a treble crochet. You'll pull through your first 2 loops, but you'll leave your 3rd loop on your hook. So it's a 1, 2, leave your 3rd chain there, 1, 2, leave your 3rd chain there, and 1, 2. Now you have 4 loops, and then you pull through all 4, and that's how you get a cluster. Followed by chaining 1, skipping 1, and we'll work 4 treble crochets till the end of the row. Once we finish row 1, we are going to turn our work and we are going to chain 2. Then we will work 3 treble crochets in the next 3 stitches. Followed by chaining 1, skipping 1, and working a 3 treble crochet cluster in the chain 1 space from the row below. Whoops. Then we will chain 1, skip 1, and work a treble crochet in that chain 4 space that we started off with in the beginning. Then we will turn our work and we will chain 3. Then we will skip the first stitch. And in that chain 1 space from the row below, we will work a 3 treble crochet cluster. Followed by chaining 1, skipping 1, and working a treble crochet in the chain 1 space from the row below, and then finishing off by working 3 more treble crochets until the end of the row. And you'll see as you do this pattern how it ends up creating a staggered cluster effect. It looks very pretty. And this is how you do the Cluster Stripe Stitch pattern. If you found this video helpful, please do give it a like, and I really do hope that you have a happy crochet day.